sure that I keep her length there, okay, and that I don't cut into that, or overlay areas they're called. I want to work again right to the side of that. I'm going to use that guide and it's going to travel with me, okay, around. So, really quick tip here, make sure you're combing the hair into the guide versus combing the hair to the guide. You know, that does two different things. When I comb the hair to the guide, the earring section gets longer. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, in order to make sure that I stay symmetrical, I'm going to comb that guide, there it is, into my section that I'm cutting. I have an opportunity here, depending on the fabric that I'm working on, I can point cut into this, I can work with a razor, I can work with a straight shear, what have you. I'm choosing to work with a straight line so that it falls flat and stays straight, okay? Now, moment of decisions here. When I get to this right here, has anybody here ever cut a bob? And right here, what happens to the hairline?
It's getting shorter.
Yeah, it gets shorter, right? Seen that happen
It's
right
like
there.
a hole.
I've gotten the most beautiful holes
Yes.
right there, and I mean, they're gorgeous. Yeah. I'm like, that's the best hole anybody could ever put in this bob, you know what I mean? Because the hairline went up, nobody told me, and I didn't pay attention to it, right? So, I learned a really good lesson. If you don't want the hair here to sneak up on you, create a safety net. Right? There's my safety net. Okay? Done. Right? So I know if I don't pick this up, I'm always going to have hair there. Right? Now, I can choose from here, which we've already cut. There's my guide. Stay there. That's what we've been cutting. Okay, so I can still cut that same length there. Got it? Okay. Your tip on bobs or anything longer that you might be cutting, all we're going to do now is do the exact same thing on the opposite side of the head. Okay? So keep that going. You ever get home and you have hair fall out of you? Yeah. All right.
All the way home.
Yeah. I know. I walk to the salon, you know, from my home, and so a lot of times when I leave the salon, like there's hair just like falling like all over. I don't know what people were thinking behind me, but there's a hair dropping around. Sorry, that's mine. Sorry. My hair back there. Okay, same thing here. Comb that into that section. I can see that right there behind it. I'm going to use the layering, or everything that's on the inside, all those layers in graduation, that's all based on her length. Right? So I'm going to keep the length, and then I can change my angle, turn it in, if you're wanting to take more of that weight out, or keep it symmetrical, keep it straight up and down, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to make sure I comb into the hair that I'm cutting. Look for that guy behind it. It's going to stop right there, and then make sure I comb back down and get the rest of this. I can cross-check this visually and know that I'm on track. Okay, good. I think that what I won't do is pick this up and go, oh no, and cut another section, right? So if I do that, I just take in sections where I put in a vertical line, then I just change the idea with horizontal line. So I'm going to end up seeing that, right, later on. Once this gets dry, I'm going to have a whole lot more work to do with detailing. So I won't do that. If I see that, I'll go, okay, go back there and pick that hair back up. That's why we're good to go. So remember what we did right here that was kind of special?
Secure.
What's that?
Safety net.
Yeah, sure, you're all right. Oh, you're good. Security, safety line, safety net, whatever you want to do, but take that part and straighten out itself. It's a diagonal back parting that's gonna help us do that, right? The diagonal back parting,
No hold clip.
yeah, don't cut that, right? We'll put the clip in, that clip says, don't cut it, and look, it's based on density, right? Based on making sure we got enough hair sitting down, okay?
Vad gör det?
From there, we're good to go.
Tro att man är perfekt.
What questions do you have?
Should we discuss how many holes you have made?
How many, how many holes have I made? Are you mainly, are we in the same group there, Jim? I make them all the time, you know, so. I know I stopped making them when I started, like, taking that section.
Lite kaffe.
Need coffee now?
You need coffee now.
The 12 minutes are over.
You guys need more. Alright, so, Linda has spoken. Alright?
Can we have?
Linda. Linda talks, man, that's it. She's like, I'm having nightmares now. Okay. Can't win. All right, so as you can see there, we've done that. Yeah, going to continue to work with the sides. The sides, because the sides are going to keep them strong, sometimes you might need just a point of reference from the sides instead of taking all of that and just continuing to cut or trying to make things match, things like that. So I'll take that same point of reference. In other words, this right here. I could take a drop out. You could drop that out, absolutely. I can also take that point of reference and change the angle that we're working at, like so. I'm going to choose to work just like so, just like that. There's my guide, I can see it in my fingers. And I'm going to slide it out to my length. Okay? So we're just going to gradually move our way out. Right now, what I'm having a lot of fun with layering is moving a layer, right? Versus a very static layer. What I mean by static layer is tell me if this looks familiar. Yeah, done it? Right, so, and they were like, well, that's short, and that's long, how do I get those to match? Right? And I went, wow, if it's static, why not just go ahead and move things where if I take a smaller bite and I move with it,
Magic happens.
magic happens, Jenny, right? I can get to length a lot easier. And is it a more free-form way of cutting? Sure. Is it a little looser? Sure. Call it what you wish. The only thing that I know is that if I keep moving and I cut, it's going to work with the hair probably better than trying to fit those static lines in, which the hair normally wants to move anyway. Does that make sense with that? Say yes. You don't.
They say yes, but they mean no. Ja, ja.
Actually, I learned that idea. I was in a model room with one of my longtime mentors. He was actually working on a mannequin. Just while I was watching him work on a small section, just like in the top, and instead of holding the hair still, he kept cutting it. And he was looking at me the whole time, and he kept cutting it with a razor. And I was like, I was watching the hair. He was looking at me having a conversation. But when he got done, I was like, how did you do that? All this works so well, and all moves, and you didn't texturize it or anything. He's like, I don't know, I just kept cutting the hair, and as I was cutting it, it just felt like that's where it's supposed to be. And I went, man. So in that 5 minutes, I learned to loosen up. I learned that this is going to move. I learned that she's going to move this stuff anyway. Right? So why am I so set on going? You know what I mean?
Yes.
Because that hair's going to move anyway. So why not cut it move? Right? So that was a good lesson for me. So far, are you with me on this?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let me finish this side. And then I'm going to quickly do the top for you, and we're out of this haircut. What are you waiting? Oh, look, when people start waiting, a couple things are happening. Either I'm going crazy, or there's somebody behind me. So.